Guys, welcome to the O7 Academy, where your interest in computer is our goal. So today we'll be carrying out a project on what we did on our last class, which was HTML style attributes and HTML link. So going to our SPCK editor, we'll be working on what we did last week. So we'll be adding some style attributes to what we did last week and also some link, so we'll know how these things work. So looking at what we did last week, so we'll be adding some style to the heading, to our body, and we'll be using this HTML link to know how it works. So coming here to add a link, to add a style to our heading here, you can come back and just here where you can add the HTML style. Here you type in style and you click on the second one. Then you can say I want the font size. I want to reduce the font size. We have measurements when doing this. We have in pixel, we have in percent, we have in rem, and we have in em. We'll be using some of them. Let me use 10 pixel. Pixel is like the smallest of them all, but you can use any according to what you want to do. As you can see, our heading has been reduced. You can come over here. Let's use percent to see how it look like. Percent. Now coming over here, very small. Let's increase it to, let's see how rem will look like. As you can see, rem is very big, so as we are using rem, we should be careful of how we use rem. Rem is very big, but now you can see the different measurements. Anyone, you can adjust them, but the one I like using is pixel. I love using pixel. So here I'll be using something like 29 pixel to be able to adjust it to my taste. Okay, you can see it's good. Now we have we can also add font color. I can say make it be blue. Put this here. Sorry, this is supposed to be like this. Come over. Okay, not font color, please. Color, not font color. Sorry about that. You can see over here the effect has just taken place. Color blue. We can also, instead of having a color, we can also have a background. Changing this to a background blue. So what we have over here, and we can change, come here also, color white. Then close it. This thing I'm putting here is to actually close it, so that it will not be part of the other properties and value, other CSS properties and value. Now, like we have here, the color is the property and the value is white. So come here. See over here, we already have the effect. Now someone will be saying that I want to adjust this thing from touching the borders of the background. You can come over here. When doing that, we call it padding. So we type padding, adding a padding. Padding will be, you can use pixel, rem, em, or percent. Let me use 9 pixel. Okay, now you can see it's no longer there. And this padding is not only for the left hand side, it's both for the left hand side, the right hand side, the up and the down. It's affecting everywhere. Well, we can customize it. When we get to CSS, I'll be teaching you how to customize that. Now we can also increase the weight of the, that is, want it to be more bolder, we want our heading to be more bolder. We can come here and say font, put dash weight, tap on it. We can call it 500 and above, call it 500, 600, 700, whatever you want to use it. It's mostly, when you mostly see this effect is when you use 500, 600, 700, 800. That's when we see this effect. Small, let me increase it to 800. Oh no, 900. Yeah, I think that's what I want. You can see it is bolding, it's more bold than before. So we've looked at using the heading, using style attribute in the ending. We can come over to the body to also use the style attribute here. Using the font style, we can call it style, tapping on the second one, style, then we can say font size. Want to increase the font size, don't like the font size will be, let me use 22 pixel. I love using pixel, and I think pixel is quite advisable to use. Now you can see there's an increase here. So this is it, and we can also come here and add, I think we are done with this place. And you can also add the background color to your body. We can come here to the body, if and add the background. Well, type something like background, then equals to, then let me say we have something like blue. Come over here. Okay, guess that wasn't effective. Try it this way. Okay, no, that wasn't effective. Try background color. Still not effective, but I'm not that good using it here, so I'll be leaving that here. But in CSS, I use this mostly in CSS. In CSS, we're talking about it. Now, moving on, we can also, apart from color, we can also add an image to it. So I'll be adding, let me use an image for us to see. Come here, import file. Under this here, come over here, import file. Under the same folder, I'll be using this. Okay, now come over here, copy path. I'll paste it here. Come to check what I have. As you can see the background is at the back. So put it in, you'll be able to see the background very well. This is the background I have. So I can see it's very beautiful. So about the image, I don't know, I quite use CSS. So when taking you guys on CSS, I'll take you on how to do that if you want to make the background to be colored. So can come over here and we'll say, now talking about our link, the last thing for today. Now we already have a link here. We already have a link here. So making this link functional, let me teach you how link works. You can come here. Link is actually linking you from one web page to another, and that web page can be created by two different HTML files. So let me come here and create another HTML file under this same folder, that is the folder you are working with. New file, you can call this um don't forget your .html. Okay, now this is it. We've created it. When you tap on here, you close all the file. When you tap on here, you open them. So you can come here and do copy path, just like we did to the image. Then we'll come over here to our personal blog guys. Here, this hashtag, you remove the hashtag there, then you paste what you just copied. So that when you tap on here, it will take it to an empty, like you can see over here, the O7. Okay, we haven't put a title there, so we can come over here. Like you can see, the link worked very well actually. So we can come over here, then we can go to the newly created HTML file, which is O7 info. Then we can come over here, change the title to, call it O7 Academy slash info.com. Complete. One look at it now, preview. This is what we have over here, O7 slash info.com. And what we just type over here, let me put something here. We put more, sorry, let me use an hashtag there, more on the academy. And I'll come here and font size, sorry, style first of all, style, nope, go back, click on style, font size, and call it 30 pixel. And we can also include an image. Let me use background, image, background. Let me paste that image. Okay, no, undo. This is over here. So this is it here. Now coming to the original one we were working with, which is my personal blog.html. Now this is it. When you tap on the link, it will take you to the one we just did. So basically, this is how HTML style attributes works, and the link, this is how they work. So but this is just the taking from the, this is just and taking the tip from the iceberg. There are more to learn from this. So thank you for your time once again. Please like, subscribe, share, and also get notified for more of our updates. Thank you for your time.